Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Street View on Google Earth. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in googleearth.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to, of course, your Google account and put in the account information to get into Google Earth. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the File, View, Add, Tools, Help option. We have the search bar where you can, of course, go and search for destinations. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Street View on Google Earth. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So basically, what you need to do is go to the bottom right corner, and here you have a couple of options. Zoom in, zoom out. We have the show heading and title controls, 3D. We have show location and enter Street View. You just need to click on him, that there, and then you just need to go and click on all of these blue areas. So the blue areas are the areas where you can go and check out the 2D view. So if you click on this, you cannot do it. So basically, they will put you to the nearest area where you can go, and here you are in Street View. So basically, as you can see, you can turn around and do everything, and you have the Street View here. You can check out everything. You can, of course, that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that's everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.